Alright, here's my dad's Chevelle, and getting ready to switch this over to fuel injection, so that and a handful of other things. So just doing a quick walk around. It's a 70, that is a 509, Merlin, steel headed, solid roller. So I gotta change out the fuel lines. I have to do the fuel pressure regulator, fuel block, the fuel pressure gauge, isolator. Ignition's gonna have to be changed out. The dampener was just changed out down there. He said he's got the wrong bolts, so we're going to change those over. I heard some exhaust ticking in here, and I think he said he had new wires, so I'll have to look into that. Wants to change out the radiator, fans, stuff like that to, I believe he's got a Be Cool set up somewhere. I think it's in the, I think it's in the trunk. There is almost no brakes on this thing, which made it extremely difficult to get up on ramps. That and the torque converter, which feels like it's about 3,500 RPM stall. Kind of made it for a difficult. So, what else? We got the fuel tank we have to do with pumps. There's the intake, throttle body, all that stuff I got to go over. We got the rail mount got a little bent in shipping. So that's not a big deal. So I just got it up on the ramps on the front just so I can get underneath it easy. I'm going to jack the back up so I can run the lines down the side. They're going to go down the passenger side. It's got a little bubbling in the paint. So anyways, I'll have to look. I'm not exactly sure, but to me it feels like there might be like that vacuum hose might have collapsed or something. I don't know. Anyways, you can see that they got all the burn up wires and everything. So this is a Edelbrock Pro-Flo 3, I believe. I don't remember if it's the 1,000 horsepower kit or not. Not 1,000, I'm sorry, 800. I think it's 800 or 600. I can't remember which one. So all that's going to get changed out. Yeah, should be fairly easy. Just carb to fuel injection, and radiator swap and stuff. So the only thing I noticed, looks like the valve covers might need to come off. The way it's sitting, they're kind of hanging over the intake. So might not be a problem to get this one off, but to get the new one on might be a problem. So have to look and make sure I got everything. Noticed a few other things. The battery cables, they need to be looked at. This not looking very good. What else? That you don't ever want to happen. This wire is sitting on a moving part, which is the upper control arm. This one over here looks like it. Oh, that's kind of hot. Every once in a while it sits on it, so you don't want that to happen. So we'll probably do some, I don't know, wire separator or something. Actually, it looks like there's the tabs for them and stuff, but it's not there. So, yeah. So I'll take a look at that intake, see if we have to get any replacement parts or anything for if anything's bent or broken, and then from there go on and probably do the intake, radiator and stuff first, and then kind of work backwards with the fuel lines and do the tank last, because in order to do the tank, I got to drop off that line and empty the tank. He said there was about 4 or 5 gallons of gas that's a year or two old in there. I might redo some of this wiring because I'm looking at this and I'm not exactly sure what the hell that is. Anyways, we'll see.